Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how you can convert the text that you have in Microsoft Word into audio. So basically, you need to have text within the document, and to enable the audio or for it to be read out to you, you come here at the top and then you click on this tab here. As soon as you click there, you scroll until you see read aloud. So when you click on read aloud, the feature comes here, so you have to enable it every time that you need to convert the audio, the text into audio. Come and click here.
Are you tired of straining your eyes to read lengthy documents or struggling to transcribe recorded conversations?
Pause it from there. Then there are a few more settings right here. You can choose the speed, the reading speed that your preference, and then the voice selection. It's only one person there for now, but you can adjust the speeding, the reading speed here. Yeah, so that is how you can enable that functionality in Microsoft Word. Thank you.